In today's episode, I am walking the streets of San Miguel de Allende in search of hidden spaces. In most cities, walking can feel pretty monotonous, but here, a door that was closed yesterday could be open today, and a new shop can invite you in. My family and I have lived here for 2 years. Can I find a place I've never seen before? Hi, I'm Heather, and if you're new here, we design, build, and sell homes in both Texas and Mexico. And walking through San Miguel is a great way to meet new people and discover new places. So if you live here or you'd like to visit, join me on this walking tour today. We are starting our walking tour today in the Benito Juarez Park. It's not exactly hidden, but it is a great place to just enjoy the morning and get kind of our blood flowing. So I want to paint the picture of the first thing I experienced when I walked in this park today. I first heard a man playing the flute and practicing, and I couldn't help but dance. And then I saw two lovers just looking into each other's eyes, longing for each other, and it was just so romantic. Then some kids riding their bikes. So this park is full of musicians, artists, lovers, families. And one of the things I love most about it is that I get the opportunity to come here with my little boys. I have 3 very active kids, and it's extremely accessible. There's a playground that allows for the kids to jump, run, play. We've met families from all over the world, from Europe, Australia, the United States, and also different parts of Mexico City. So I enjoy coming here. My boys also love to sell their baked goods and just be creative with their entrepreneur spirits. Now that we've explored the park, it's time to walk up one of San Miguel's most famous roads, Calle Aldama. As you can see the beautiful view in the background of the cathedral with the dome. People come here and take photos all the time, but I want to see what we can explore up this street today. I found a hidden gem. This is right off of Calle Aldama. This is Cafe Aldama 57 or Cafe Aldama 57. It smells divine. I can't wait to see what they have to offer. Hola.
Hola.
Buenos días. ¿Cómo estás?
Muy bien, ¿y tú?
¿Y cómo te llamas?
Romy.
Romy.
Mucho gusto.
Mucho gusto. Soy Heather.
Mucho gusto, Javi.
I'm here with Romy today, and I just asked, how is your day? Good morning. And I want to find out what's the most favorite, postre or pastry that people order here. Okay, ¿cuál es el más favorito postre?
Es el pan francés.
El pan francés. ¿Y viene con algo?
Sí, el pan francés viene con frutos rojos, plátano y una bolita de nieve de vainilla.
Ooh, okay. So the favorite pastry is French toast with a little bit of berries and some vanilla ice cream. See? Ooh, that sounds really good. But since we're going on our walking tour, what if we grab a cup of coffee and maybe a pastry to go? I have the biggest sweet tooth, and I could not resist to order the churro when I saw it on the menu. I mean, take a look at this beautiful churro. It looks very different than what you might be used to. In the States, I've often talked to people that say the churro is something they've ordered at Costco or they've gotten at like a state fair. But this is next level. This churro actually is made in the shape of a sandwich, and its filling is ricotta cheese, apple, and honey. Something else that's so fascinating is that the churro actually is originally from Spain, and the legend has it that the churro was invented for the sheep herders because they needed to have a quick and easy bread that they could cook over the stove, or excuse me, over a fire pit. So The churro is originally from Spain, but it has been modified in Mexico. So in Mexican culture, I gotta say they've done it the best. They put cinnamon, sugar, and it's crispy on the outside, but very light and fluffy on the inside. And this is a rendition of it that is just, we'll find out if it's exceptional. Let's see. That is really good. The creamy ricotta, it's a very light hint. I'm sure they put a little vanilla in it. And then the slow cooked apples, it's delicious. I found our second gem. This is Galeria Buena Vida. It's a little boutique that I was drawn to it by the smell of leather. This shop is just stunning, and I want to try on a pair of boots. Oh my goodness, look at this exquisite boot. The design, the texture, the colors. I've never seen anything like it. And it smells so good. I have an obsession with the smell of delicious leather. So I'm gonna try this on. And when I was walking past the shop, I saw the vibrant colors of the boots. Oh my gosh, it's so comfortable. And I know that San Miguel is known for their art scene, so that didn't surprise me as much, but the leather. You may not know this, but León is a city about 2 hours away from here, and it is one of the world's largest exporters of leather. So some of the biggest top name designers use the leather from León. So this comes from León. Oh, it is so comfortable. I'm gonna try on the other boot. And the shop owner, one of the owners was telling me that these boots are so coveted throughout Mexico and all over the world that other designers of boots will come here to check out the designs and the texture and quality of these boots. So knowing that, a custom designed boot, if you were to purchase them in another country, or let's say the United States, they cost anywhere from $6,000 to $7,000 US. These boots range from about $790 up to $2,000. So it is a bargain. The shop owner also told me that there was a group of women from Austin, Texas, 14 women to be exact, that came in here and bought 52 pairs of boots. Now, if you want to go to a party or enjoy a rodeo or just stand out, this is the place to get a pair of boots. I'm obsessed. And not only are they stylish, they're very comfortable. So the designer made these specifically for the cobblestone streets in San Miguel, and she named them Smooth Operator. These, if you like a more neutral style boot, these look amazing. Oh, I can spend all day in here. The smells are just divine, and the style is, I want to buy everything. But we have to go on to that final place during our walking tour. So what will we discover next? Our final hidden gem on our walking tour today is actually hidden in plain sight. It's the magic of this beautiful city and the people. Coming on this walking tour, I've made some new friends. The shop owner of that last boutique hugged me and said, "Thank you. I believe the universe sent you to meet me today." And even the barista handcrafting my churro and just enjoying that delicious coffee. I love the vibrant, magical nature of this city. From the handcrafted doors to the bright colors and the cobblestone streets, this place is alive, and you get to experience it when you come here. And you're not gonna believe this. We spent the day on one block of Calle Aldama. We had the best time. So we will continue to feature different streets and different areas of San Miguel for our walking tours in the future. I had so much fun on our walking tour today. I got to spend some time outside and discover new places. And this was just a glimpse of what it's like walking through the city. Next week, I'm gonna be cooking up something very creative in the kitchen. We'll see you then.